Hey, what's up guys? John with RussellMarineProducts.com, and today we've got some more rigging tips for you. Stay tuned. All right, you guys, so we're going to come at you with some more rigging tips. We've done that dedicated power video, got a lot of good feedback from it. So we wanted to come at you with some stuff that we've learned along the way. We're seeing a lot of people upgrading batteries, going to 24 volt, 36 volt lithium batteries, and having to run multiple charging systems on their boat. So that gets a little bit tricky. People are worried about forgetting to plug in one charger or the other. You know, you'd hate to get out there on the water and have a dead trolling motor or not be able to use your forward-facing sonar. So something that we're using here at the shop is going to be this NOCO. It's the AC Port 2, and this is going to allow you to replace your power outlet and charge two chargers into this one receptacle. So that way, when you have your boat in for the night and you're going to plug your boat into power for a charge, you're going to be able to charge both of your chargers at once. So what you've got here is this is going to replace your power outlet that is currently on your boat, and you've got a two-way plug coming out of it. So you're able to charge both of your chargers, whether you're looking at, you know, a 36 or a 24 volt on this side and a 12 volt on this side. You know, maybe you just already have a charger, it's a good charger, you don't want to go out and spend a bunch of money on a new one, but you know, it's a 3-bank and you're adding another charger for all of your dedicated electronics. We're seeing a lot of that. You're able to actually charge both of them, and this is a pretty cost-effective deal. I think you're looking at like 30 bucks or something like that. So this is a really handy thing. You know, we're adding more and more electronics on our boats every day. It seems like, you know, they're pulling more and more power. We're seeing 100 amp hour batteries, 160 amp hour batteries, and as I mentioned, we've got, you know, a 24 volt lithium, we've got a 36 volt lithium. So those are going to have to run a different charging system. You're not going to be able to charge that off of your existing 12 volt onboard charger. So this is definitely something that's going to help you out. It's going to be able to save you some money. And then some other things that we've seen along the way, especially on this boat here. I'm on a Lund Pro V right now, and a lot of these multi-species boats, you see the trolling motor batteries up front here. So what we've got is we've got our 36 volt charger up front, and we're running an extension cable, you know, an extension cord all the way back to this, because, you know, we've got quite a bit of distance in between our two chargers. So if you're not able to put both of those chargers right next to each other, then you can always extend the leads from this all the way back to that second charger. So again, this is going to replace your existing power outlet. This is a real plug and play deal. For most of your boats out there, it's going to drop right in. You're going to be able to pull that old one out and drop this new one right in there. So again, this is the NOCO, this is the AC port plug, and it's a two-way splitter. And we'll go ahead and we'll put a link down in the description so you guys can get one of these if you need it. If you do have any questions at all, make sure you put them down in the comment section below. Give us a call, 316-313-4113, or shoot an email over to sales@russellmarineproducts.com. Thank you guys for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one.
Are you tired of your old marine electronics? At R&P, we make trade-in easy. 3 steps. Step 1, shoot us an email, get a quote. Step 2, send us your old unit and get credit. Step 3, get your brand new unit and get installed on your boat today.